do a little red folder. What up, Rob Trades? Rob Trades in the house. I know what you're lurking on. Yeah, let me lower the music real quick. Okay, let's open up the charts. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis. Let's talk about gold here. Let's start from the daily, and let's just lock in here. So, looking at the daily time frame, just to track back very, very briefly, we were ranging for a bit. We finally had a candle that broke out of that range. We came up, we retested, we kind of developed a new support here, and then have just continued to push up on this bullish rally ever since creating that support down here towards like 28 or 25.80. So pretty interesting. We had a bearish candle close here yesterday. So we had this bearish candle close, but is this a good looking business partner, right? Is that a good looking resistance? I don't think so, right? This looks to me more of a weak, undecided candle that just happened to close red. Right? Could have closed blue, red, doesn't matter. I think this is just a undecided candle right here. So because it was bearish, right, we kind of had a little bit of a bias to look for sells and all that. But as you can see, price barely made a lower wick, pushed up, broke these highs, and just started continuing to run up here. So big boy candle here ahead of us. We've got some red folder news coming in that could either push this candle up or begin to pull this candle back down. So as I am every day, I'm open for both buys and sells. I've already taken buys here today in the London session. We'll see what the New York session has for us. Let's go down to the 4-hour chart so we can get a quick little session bias here. So man, 4 hour. We finally broke out of the range. So what time was this? This was at 6 a.m. I was taking a little nap at that point, but yeah, if anyone's in these buys, I mean, the 4 hour just finally closed above, and then yeah, just absolute rocket ship there. So pretty good buys, man. Very, very bullish here on gold. Very bullish on gold today. We'll see what happens. This 4-hour candle has an hour 40 left on it. We have news coming out. The 1-hour candle though is beginning to turn around here now though, right? So 1-hour time frame is working on a potential resistance, but look, as long as that low, right, this candle's low, doesn't break the low of the previous candle, then this puppy and this sucker can just shoot up and continue driving. So I'm talking about that low right there, respecting this low here. As you can see, it has respected it, meaning it didn't push through it. So like I said, at any point this candle can turn, flip bullish, and just keep running here. So let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute looking good as well, trying to create resistance. 15-minute creating resistance here as well. I would not take sells here. I'd be probably looking for a fake out. But let's go ahead and mark off the ranges for today. So I think not going to touch anything here until 8:30, which is going to be in 11 minutes. So we'll see what happens. I think if you get closures below these support levels down here on the 15-minute time frame, aka 30-minute time frame as well, then sells look pretty good to keep moving down. Other than that, you're probably just coming down to make a support. You know, you're probably just going to come down, you're going to retrace, right, and you're going to want to make support. And look, you might drive, right, but most likely you're going to pop back up and close like this, right? You may get a push down there, but we're not looking for that push. We're looking for our playbook setups. And I think if we can get something like this, we could take our buys to continue moving back up here on gold. Yeah, in between there, you'll have a 15-minute fake out and all that good stuff happening as well, just to confirm things. So yeah, go ahead and take your sells. I think the sells are done here. I think they would have been from that 15-minute break of the low that I wasn't aware of. So if you took the sells, good job. I wouldn't take new sells here though, I'll tell you that. Cool. So let's just wait. Let's hang tight. Looking for potential fake outs here for buys. So fake outs for buys. I'm very bullish here on gold today. I like sells, but I like them below all this support to the left. Boom. Yeah, other than that, I would love to see a support planted right here. right here for us to go up. So that's it now. So now we wait. You know, this 30 minutes going to close. The next 30 minutes going to bring unemployment claims and all the news coming out. So that may give us a nice little push. And then again, if we can create support right around that area, 26.95 here on the futures chart, then I like it. Something like this to move back up. That's the day. That is the day. So this is all clean trading range for me. You know, we just need structure at this point. So this is all good. Oh, let me fade it. Let me make it see-through. This right here is all good, but we need a new support. This down here is really nice too. I think the in-between gets a bit sketchy here, right in here. But we'll see. We'll.
And we're back, finally live streaming. Been a while, but we are fully back. We are back today, live streaming gold against the dollar as usual. So I've got my targets marked up already. Cool, let's do a breakdown. So as we can clearly see, weekly, monthly time frame, gold is in ridiculous all-time highs. It's had no retracement since these levels around here. I'm gonna delete all of this. Price has had no retracement since this minor support made, and price is now just literally sorry about that, just got a text message from one of my clients. Okay, yeah, so as I said, gold is in all-time highs from after making support at around 300, which is absolutely ridiculous, but that's on a monthly. Looking on a weekly, support was made at 2496. Then you had a resistance that was flowing around here as well. So as I said, nearest support made on the weekly was at 2495, which is around 2500. And since then it's just been pushing up. No retracements. As I said, you've got a couple FEGs. You've got one here and you've got one here. bissies. I said I use some ICT concepts, but mainly just use price action. I'm a price action trader. Don't use no indicators, straight price action, and I also use higher time frames for my direction, like the weekly. So as I said, you got some weekly bissies around here. I did expect price to want to fill this one, but it clearly didn't want to. So looking on the daily now, I said the daily's been shooting up. You've got weekly lows are around these levels at 2621. It should match up at 2613. My bad, which is going to be these levels just around here. So this was the weekly open. Weekly open was around here, and price right now is just literally been shooting up since weekly open. Previous daily closed bearish, which was a clearly manipulation for sellers because everyone was waiting for a bearish closer because everyone's expecting price to want to retrace. But gold, knowing gold will do whatever it wants. Gold has no care for anyone except gold. So as I said, today price has not even broken the lows, which the lows are around here, and price has instantly just shot up and broken all-time highs. So right now there's nothing else you can be but bearish. Due to a previous daily though, you can still have some bearish bias. However, you need, as news today comes out, comes out every Thursday, and today's Thursday on the unemployment claims. So you've got news coming out. You also have final GDP coming out and Fed chair power. You got a lot of folders today. You got 3 red folders and you got about 4 or 5 orange folders. So it's going to be a very volatile day, a lot of volume, which I feel like price, there's no liquidity around here as price is in all-time highs. So price is literally just running up, maybe creating its own liquidity, and then ideally what people is going to want to see is a drive. So that's what a lot of people are expecting. I do expect price to maybe want to make some price action for sales to actually start coming down. So right now what I am looking at is, okay, so you got market open around here, and you got market open around here, and you got daily lows, previous daily lows around, sitting around these levels. So market opens at literally at this level. Price had a resistance at 2660, and now it's actually in fact broke above the resistance, and then it's just been shooting up since. I'm going to move my levels up to here, and so this was all-time highs made on Wednesday, which was yesterday. So price was literally targeting these liquidity levels, these buy-side liquidity levels, which news is about to come out. So let's literally see what news is down. I think news is going to push price down. Let's see the results of news. Pending. Okay, cool. Sorry, I got to the chart quite late. Yeah, I fully expected this push down. Well, that's good numbers for the dollar. Good numbers for the dollar on one of the durable goods orders. Good numbers for the dollar. Cool. So one key thing about gold is what you want to realize is price likes to tap into key numbers, so like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and going off saying from there. So if price is ever in all-time highs, just look for let's say I knew that price is gonna want to tap into 270, which it did here, then 2675 and 2680, which is tapped into here, and then 2685. So that is just a good little tip for you if you're ever in all-time highs on gold. Just look for numbers ranging up in 5s, 10, 15, 20. You're better than expected. Gold is going to start shooting down, which hopefully it does. So right now I got support around 2672, which is going to be the strongest level, because that's going to be breaking 30s, this 30, this 30 minute, and this 30 minute, which is also breaking an hourly low as well, which is key. So as I said, right now, because gold is in all-time highs, I'm going to need a range too. So I'm going to need price to close below this and then print another candle which respects this level, so it doesn't close above this but below, and then I can continue with sales. And that's my trade for today. The only reason I am also looking for sales is because yesterday previous daily bias was bearish, But if yesterday was bullish and previous 4 hours bullish, then I don't get into a trade, because I trade session biases and daily biases as well. So the session bias is ideally the 4 hour, and the daily bias is ideally just the daily. So if the daily is bullish and the 4 hour is bearish, then I can get into a sell or a buy. If the daily is bullish and the 4 hour is bullish, then I can only get into buys. I won't get into sells. And even if the clearest sells coming up, like, I won't get into it, because I need to stay disciplined. I've seen a lot of losses occur when I'm trying to actually fight the trend. And if the daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish, and I buys, and ideally I want to hold onto my buys. That's the move. And yeah, so I got resistance around here. You got support around here that price is tapping into, and then that's the next level. And then price will blast through these supports at times of volume, because this is a very weak support, even though it's order block around here. You see price is order blocking the orders, but then yeah, price wanted to shoot up. So yeah, that's my levels, that's my trade today. Yeah, that's my levels. Right now, I'm not trying to fight the trend. I haven't taken a trade all week. Actually, I have. I took one trade on Monday, which was a loss. Unfortunately, I just tried to go break even, but I held onto my position. And yeah, price wanted to stop me out. I should have gone break even, but I had a higher target in mind, and I felt like, okay, cool, price had me about 14 pips profit. I could have gone break even there, but I was like, no, let me actually respect my trade, follow my plan, and then obviously price whipped me out. So right now I've just been taking a bit more conservative. I've had about 4 potential trade opportunities. So whenever I see a potential trade opportunity, but there might be something stopping me out, then I will just screenshot it, put it onto my journal, and then that's how I sample size my trades. That's how I get better understanding what my position is. So yeah, right now gold is just sinking. As I said, I could have took sells from around here, but I didn't want to use 5 minutes for confirmation, so it doesn't really, I'm completely fine with that. The only thing I could have done was this little fade, anticipated reversal, which is a move that I sometimes take, but as I said, I've stopped taking fades. It's a move that my mentor taught me. So it's basically, let's say price has got a target area. So let's say, remember I told you price is going to want to wick into like the 5s. Price got a target area, and then price wicks into the area. If it fails to break this area, another candle wicks into it. If it fails to break this area, then ideally we're anticipating that the price has tapped the target that it wants to tap, for them to actually start seeing a retracement. And good indications is if candles close kind of weak with a small body wick, so that means you can get into the break of these. And then if price does break this good indication that price wants to continue down, which I could have gone into that, but I looked at my journal recently, and I realized that the last 10 fade positions I took, I actually got all losers. Like every single one of them was a loser. And I felt like, yeah, that just kind of messed up my P&L. So I was like, no, I don't want to get into these trades anymore. I don't really like it. It was a newer concept that, as I said, I might still work on. I might still try and adapt. However, not really for me. So yeah, and then that's. And then yeah, that's my levels literally. Right now we've got resistance here as well. So right, there's going to be a minor resistance level for me on the 15. And yeah, that's all my trade stuff. That's literally that. As I said, gold got good numbers for the dollar. Sorry, let me just put this into my community as well. We have a free Telegram community and Discord community where I put all my trades as well. We also do sports betting, we do investment opportunities as well. So we'll teach you how to get money through trading, and then we'll teach you how to stay wealthy through investing as well. So literally just copy the link in my bio, and yeah, feel free to join the community. If you don't want to join the community, don't have to, but it's all free, and yeah, it's just for education. As I said, I feel like educating is the best way to learn as well yourself, so that's why we do it. Cool, as I said, these are my levels. I expect price to maybe react at this level, which it tapped into this level, and yeah, there's a Sibi as well. Yeah. And yeah, that's my levels. My best time to trade is NYSE Open, which is 2:30 in the UK because I'm based in the UK. So that's mainly when I look for trades. So as I said, I'm just letting price form out. I like this 4 hour. This 4 hour can potentially close bearish, which is good. If this 4 hour closes bearish, it's a good indication that price is gonna actually want to retest, because earlier today there's major sell side around these levels. Okay, that price is still gonna want to target. It's got two tap at this area as well, which I said, two tapping an area of major liquidity is good indication. Okay, so let me put on to little t. If price makes a, let's say, sell side liquidity area, okay, so you got sell side liquidity around here. If price taps into that area again and then rejects off the area, yeah, and then you next see market structure starts printing, let's say, support. So we're bearish, price has made you got minor sell side liquidity around here, and price retapped into it. So this was Tuesday, Wednesday, price retapped into this minor sell side liquidity, because the major sell side liquidity is all around here, right? All around here, this has been untapped. It's minor sell side, price taps into it again and then creates a support. And then from this support, you've seen price just move up, because this major or minor liquidity has been tapped. Okay, it's been tapped. So next place price is going to actually want to target is the buy side liquidity, which currently it was around here, but this buy side liquidity was made around here. And then would you look at that, buy side is tapping into new sell side. So buy side made, then sell side is tapping into the old buy side. It's price action loves doing this. Okay, so gold is made through liquidity. Okay, gold and liquidity are like best friends. Gold moves because of liquidity. Liquidity makes gold move. So the fact that price, in fact, actually, so what you need to understand is buy side liquidity is here. Orders are going to be around here, okay? Like orders, you're going to have sells and buys around this level. So price just wicking below it is actually confirming the buys are made in it, because you've got stop losses around here. A lot of people went break even. Some people might have even made new sells orders. A lot of orders around here. Price actually tapped into this. Price tapped into this area and then just wick past. Good indication that liquidity's been grabbed, and then look, would you look at that move? So as I said, that's just a little thing I peeped. But yeah, price on a double tap at liquidity zone is key. I love double taps. 1, 2, this one attempted, couldn't. So cool, as I said, price still wants to target this sell side liquidity around here. And you got major buy side around here, and the current sell side is around here. Okay, so this is current daily lows, which is going to be one that we target. Cool. So right now, what I am looking for, I'm just waiting for the next 20 minutes for the 4 hour to close. So if the 4 hour close is bullish, then boy, you've got all this liquidity to still test. The 4 hour close is bearish. If it flips and closes bearish, then it clearly wants to retest. So side around here, and that's my levels. Very basic. As I said, I try to make trading as simple as I can for me, because that is, yeah, I don't want to be. You don't need to make stuff complicated. Stuff that doesn't need to be complicated, you don't need to make complicated. And that's my levels. As I said, you got resistances around here. As I said, price wicked into, I don't know, close above, keep going. So yeah, this is going to be key. If price can retest this area, make a new support, then to keep going up, then I might look at that. And that's it. It's simple. That's literally it. Simple trading day. Well, it's not really simple because gold is moving like a, I'm not going to say the word, but gold's moving like gold wants to move. Need that right now at the moment. Minor resistance. Okay. That's it. Got 2 minor resistances around here as well. If gold can close above this resistance level, then it might want to keep going up, but that is not, I'm not going to fight it, I'm just going to observe it. So I'm not going to execute if it closes above, I'm just going to observe. Because price, as I said, price is technically wicking into liquidity areas, but it need a closure above. 1 second. Yep, that's my levels. That's my levels. A lot of lines on the charts, but I understand all the lines. As I said, got minor resistance and you got major resistance around here, which buys above. You got support as well, but yeah, got support as well. Got minor resistance. But let's be honest, on the 4 hour, 30 minute as well, it's not really a good zone for you to take buys. Yeah, that's my levels. So if price, don't be surprised if price blasts through these zones. But yeah, as I said, this is the major range that you're gonna see. As I said, price has not closed below this minor 15 support, so price might be making a new support to keep going up, but you did see a little chop change of character around here. That doesn't really matter. A minor 15 chop, that doesn't really matter. I said the main breaker structure will be around here. If price creates a low, that's going to be a main chop around there. So I said, the fact that price is not breaking this support, I still feel like the support does show some significance as well. Which, yeah. As I said, support made at the top of this range. Should be good. Got minor resistance. If price can close above this range, then it's fine. But honestly, as I said, the new 4 hours about to open up on a wonder. And then, yeah, that's just my trade. Just staying. Literally just observing the markets. So I'm just talking to some people in my community. I said I fully expected this to occur. A lot of people are looking at this support as a stronger support, but as I still said, price is going to want to react at this 2672.5 area, which is calm. Closure above here should indicate major buy side should be retested again. So that's the main thing I'm looking at. Price has made a little swing low, but the major swing lows around these levels. Why is this so wide? Yeah, look how wide I made this. Major swing lows around these areas. That's a trade. price is trying to retest a resistance. This was, as I said, I did expect. I did expect price to react at this 2672 area 0.5 after tapping into these minor areas around here, these minor wicks. So yeah, but there's no way I would have gone to this buy. Only thing I could have anticipated is due to price not actually closing below support, the price might want to retrace, but there's no way. Plus there's a Sibi around here as well, which price is probably attempting to fill, react, and we'll see what goes. 4 hours closing in 7 minutes, so we'll just see. You just have to wait. Right now gold is moving insane, and you don't want to fight this insane rally, I promise you. It's not worth it. So it's not worth it. It's not worth it. As I said, got a free Telegram community. Anyone just follow? Price literally tapping into a 5-minute resistance, not doing anything. I said this level is going to be key. If price can't close above this level, then you might want to start seeing price start retrace. Price hasn't filled the Sibi yet, so I'm still expecting that to get filled. And yeah, that's my levels. That is my levels. 4 hour close, bullish, very strong bullish. It's just buys. Only I can look for buys. I can't look for sells. Can't look for sells. That doesn't matter. Right now, I only want sells below here. Even this doesn't matter. I'm taking away this minor resistance level, and it doesn't matter. So, cool. Only thing I could anticipate is the 30-minute Wakefield, but it had absolutely no confirmation for a trade. Absolutely no confirmation for a trade. Only thing was price closing at support, at resistance, which I could have expected the next 4 hour. Maybe wanted to move down off the 1 hour move and off the 30-minute. But the fact that the 4 hour just closed is going to be the strongest. So yeah, no, I wouldn't go into anything. So right now I'm just waiting. As I said, just literally waiting. Yeah, in the mix of providing a free trading course as well. It's going to be over. So I got 3 screens. That's why I'm looking at all screens. So I got my Telegram community, and I've also got I'm in the mix of making a course as well. So as I said, right now the main support is 2673. If price can close below this, I can potentially get into sales, and if price closes above this and creates a new support, then yeah, we can get into buys, and that's literally the trade. I'm not trying to make it too difficult. I'm trying to take it a bit conservative, especially due to price being an all-time highs. Yeah, as I said, a lot of people got faked out on that daily close. A lot of people thought sales are going to be in play when it's not. I don't think current daily lows are going to get retested. It might get retested later. You got core PC. So yeah, so the price is starting to try and beat this level. 5 minute, it's got a minor support here on the 5 minute though, so obviously you can't get into any trades right now. And then you've got major range around here anyway. So I said the range from 72.67 was 50 pip range. It's not too bad. I mean, it's basically 68, so it's not even 67, so it's basically 68. I'm guessing this is the 5 minute support. It's low around here, of course it is. Let's try now, we'll see. Then yeah. Cool. So as I said, we've got a free Telegram community where we teach, educate about trading. We offer signals as well, but we offer education. So we provide breakdowns of each trade as well. We also offer free betting signals for sports games, so football games mainly, or soccer if you're American. But yeah, football games. And we also offer investment opportunities. So we've got a stock portfolio expert who, yeah, he just informs people about stocks. So we got different mentors, different teachers. We got a sports betting teacher. We've got various sports betting teachers, various stock traders, and various forex traders as well. So anything is basically just teaching people how to make money. Our slogan is make money, stay wealthy. So you get rich, stay wealthy, get money, and invest in it. Obviously, we also teach about crypto as well. As I said, there's going to be a crypto bull run that's soon going to occur. 15 is just sinking down. As I said, 4 hour is going to break previous lows, which, as I said, you got major buy side around here and sell side around here, and price is literally wicking in and breaking these lows. So what we're going to see now is what occurs at the break of these lows. Price is wicking into this area. If support can be formed back above here, then this is going to be a beautiful indication that price actually in fact wants to keep going up. There we go. said, price wicking through these areas. As I said, the only indication I could have had for sells would ideally be this 30-minute closure, week closure, but I there's not really a confirmation for me, especially as the new 4 hours open, new 1 hours opening as well. There's no way. As I said, this 4 hour, this 1 hour could have easily came, wicked up all the way into these areas, which is like 60 pips. I don't really like having 60 pip stops. If I do, then you need to be very conservative. But yeah, look at this push. This push is moving crazy for our breaking lows as well. So yeah, as I said, current daily lows are sitting around here, which price is looking like it might technically want to actually retest current daily lows. We'll see. You got another swing lows around here as well, just by the current daily lows. So we'll actually honestly see. As I'm waiting till 2:30 for any potential trades anyway. One thing about putting in full screen is I can't see the thing yet. This is insane though. Look at this move down. We have news coming out in 5 minutes as well at 9:20 or 2:20. We have news coming out literally 10 minutes before NYSE opened. Very funny. Just updating my community. Okay. So there's literally no SIBI made, the minor SIBI around here, which price is gonna want to definitely fill. But apart from that, I can't say it. There's no BISI, bro. There's no SIBI. I said BISI. There's no SIBI established. Price is about to tap into this fair value gap SIBI, and it's gonna keep going. So I said with gold right now, we just have to wait. Just have to wait on clear price action. Potential trade opportunity occurred here, which I was using this past support resistance. But as I always say to myself, yeah, minor resistances are key. The only reason I didn't get into these minor resistance breakouts is because there's another zone here and price is an all-time highs. So, but if this was actually just price action, I would have easily executed on this, and then this was beautiful, guys. But this is what it is. As I said, This is ridiculous. Yeah, look at this. Look at this move. Yeah, as I said, price is right now tapping into these minor swing lows. And yep, as I said, I'm bullish. I'm not looking for no sells. Absolutely no sells today. Price tapped into this, attempted to tap into this minor swing low. But no. Cool. Got some betting to do as well for my community. You still got that minor resistance level out there. Price just sinking towards us. Right now I'm gonna have to look onto the 5 minute. I'm gonna go into the 5 minute for entries. The only potential place I can look for entries, as I said, this gonna maybe potentially be the 15 minute creating support to keep going up. I do expect a retracement, but price didn't actually tap into these minor swing lows. So I just need to see what close. There you go, which I fully expected. So that's where price actually want to kind off there. Ideally, just only range I can go. Anticipating the 15 to create support, but no, I'm gonna wait for closure. I wait for closure. There's no way I'm gonna get into this. Shit. Just email me. So just got some people back in my community. I said price might actually want to start shooting off here. I'm not gonna execute this. I'm gonna wait. Price would have activated me if I got into these 15-minute support or 5-minute support being made, anticipating a 15-minute to actually create support, which price is starting to actually flip. I would have risked very thing. I would have gone broke. Yeah. I don't know what Fed Power is saying, so I didn't really want to get into it when Fed Power speaking because it's just very volatile, extremely volatile. Which is exactly what price is going to want to do, but no, I said I have to wait for closure. Two minutes. If this breaks these previous 5-minute highs, just be breaking current 15 highs, then this would be a good indication that price actually might want to keep continuing up. But no, as I said, I would have been on this. Had to stay disciplined to your rules. I don't execute off 5-minute price action. I execute using 5 minutes, but I don't execute off the price action made. That's not my confirmation. I get confirmation for higher time frames, then I might get into the 5-minute to actually execute off, but I don't execute due to 5-minute price action. Okay. Price breaking highs, I would have been break even here. This would have been nice. Little break even, but as I said, price got a little 5-minute FEG as well. That's gonna need to fill as well, and you have no wick, so it's just a bit rubbish. Our price is starting to shoot up off this. Only way I can get into sales is price on the next 15 close above here. Just a bit rubbish price action. Just a bit rubbish price action still. Only way I would have got into this is I would have got in if price had a wick, and then I would have to go break even at around these wick fills here, and then that would have been a trade. But price can easily start flipping up of this level. It's got no top wick, but gold does what gold wants to do. So one sec. 30-minute closing below this actual support area is actually good indication for sales, to be honest. It's very good indication for sales. 5-minute, 15-minute closing with no bottom wick. I was only looking for buys right now. Not that swayed, just on the bias about buys. As I said, this is actually a good indication for sales. However, right now, I'd rather just take it a bit conservative. As I said, price just moving a bit weird. Price back in the range, but yeah, I do expect the range to get filled, especially 5-minute, 15-minute closing with no bottom wick. Yep, this is working out to a T. Yeah, no, this was the indication sales, 100%. Definitely could have gone to sales. The only issue is where would have been my stop loss for. My stops would have actually been. I wouldn't get into sales, but my stops would have been about what 1,000 pips away on the previous candle, and there's no way you can indicate how far. Price actually wants to retrace to make the top wick or bottom wick, so yeah. Positions like these, you just want to leave and just watch, observe. This is why I haven't taken any trades this week, because price has been doing this all week, just not giving me nice clear setups. It's like, wow, what's someone meant to do except wait and observe, and that's exactly what I've been doing. Price had a 5-minute FEG which had to fill. It tapped into this area. Now price is gonna evidently want to start push up. I can technically maybe actually get into these buys, but it's buys confirmation for me, so I'm not gonna do it. But you can get into these buys. As I said, price is especially the fact that price is filling the FEG as well. It's very good indication. If price can close above these wicks around here, then that's more further indication that price wants to keep going up. However, I won't be getting into this. It's not for me. These are not my buys, so I can't get into these. Oh, I'm gonna do some bets. Matching into this resistance area as well, which is key. As I said, new support made. Major buy side can get rejected. That's such a loser. Yep, and the push down. I did expect price to actually want to intently run down 30 minute. Just 30 minute. That's it. Yeah, there's no indication for me to actually. 5-minute price action, I guess. Oh, there was no trade set for me. The 30-minute, yeah, I understand the 30-minute they close with all these areas, but stronger. 15-minute, it's just a bit stronger to be honest. 5-minute closing right at this area as well. Yeah, no, I didn't like it. We're closing with no top wick. I hear. Well, it's good indication. It's a good indication for sales. Maybe I can even write this. But it's the main issue was my stops. Like, where's my stops gonna be? No, I wouldn't go into this because if I started, I wouldn't go into this because if I started actually being in drawdown, I would have been like, okay, where can I? In fact, where's the best place I can actually have my stops? Where can I take out? So no, this is not a good setup for me. Another day, another no trade setup. Yeah, price clearly. Don't. Do not bet horses, mate. Kill you. Yeah, right now there's 9 for me, man. Just absolutely 9 for me. Nothing for me. Only. Just doing, just talking to people in my community, sorry. Price did close below this minor support level, but where can we target? As I said, price is gonna be tapping into another support. Then you got the major swing lows, and then you got current daily lows. So I still definitely think price is gonna potentially want to close. I still think price. Excuse me. I still think price is gonna want to close bullish. It's broken the previous highs. That's a good indication. As I said, there's no trade. As I said, the only potential trade opportunity was off this 30-minute. It's 30-minute here, which was obviously the new open. But apart from that, nothing I could have gone into. The 4 hour. Sound fine. Like I said, better than taking no trade than forcing a trade and getting a loss. So, as I said, right now this week's in a very, 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 very weak for to take any trades. Only trade was below these 30 minutes. Tapping into these swing lows at 2658.7, which I fully expected. As I said, the only entry was this, but there was no confirmation. This was just literally a breakout, which I could have, there's no confirmation, just a wick to fill, and this as well. Listen, the reason why I didn't execute any of these positions because I've been stopped out on wick to fills. Okay, I've lost trades where it's just literally a wick to fill, no actually clean indication of price where it wants to go, just a wick to fill. Especially as I was a new 4 hour. This is a new 4 hour open, so price could have on the new 4 hour open come up, retap liquidity around here, start retracing, and then and as I said, potentially this breakout below this resistance level. support level. Current daily lows, price is flipping. Current daily lows about to be broken. Current daily lows have been broken. Price literally tapping into current daily lows. That was the target it wanted to tap into since this massive retracement. Which, who would have anticipated that? I mean, this is all 1 hourly candle as well, by the way, and this is just a 4 hour as well. Just literally, once a 4 hour broke low is the only actual place for it to actually retest is these 4 hour bissies as well, which I understand. This was just a bit of a tricky day today, honestly, as price is in all-time highs, and then now it's retracing from all-time highs. You never know. As I said, people all today have been caught, sellers all today have been caught in the chop. New York just literally just wanted to retrace this whole move. That's all they wanted to do, which understandable, and very understandable. As I said, London, Asia make the move, New York retrace the move. It's as simple. But as I said, I can't just trade like that. I need to actually have price action and anticipation, and then range has been shit recently. See this me. Price starting to retrace after retapping current daily lows, grabbing liquidity, just wicking past. I don't know. As I said, the only indication I could have gone to was there to retest current daily lows, but we would have thought that current daily lows would have been retested. So, yeah. I mean, resistance was formed, breakout, it was a minor breakout as well. that's these corners. I think we're gonna end the stream here. No trades taken today. Once again, as I said, I've taken one trade this whole week. Yeah. Anyway, we'll be on tomorrow, same time.